Today, we're adding some cool 3D effects with the cube transition, a visually striking way to switch between scenes with a dynamic 3D cube flip. Let's dive in. First, drag two clips onto your timeline and place them side by side. Next, head to the Transitions tab on the left panel, scroll down to the 3D section where you'll find the cube transition. This one's a favorite for adding some flair to your edits. Simply drag the cube transition and drop it between your two clips. You'll instantly see that awesome 3D effect. If you want to control the speed of the transition, just click on the transition and adjust the duration slider on the right to make it faster or slower. And that's it. You've now added the 3D cube transition to your video, giving your edits a fresh and dynamic look. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Clipchamp tips and tricks.